welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let's see how we can connect devices in Odoo 14 point of sale. So for that, first of all, we have to open point of sale, and when you go to point of sale settings, you can see a separate section that is used to connect devices. So we can connect devices to point of sale either by using IoT box, or we can directly connect to devices without using IoT box. So first case, let's take the first case, that is connect devices using an IoT box. So an IoT box is an integration device which allows the users to connect various IoT operated devices to Odoo platform. So before starting, make sure you have following things, that is first an IoT box with its power adapter, then a computer or a tablet with an up-to-date web browser. Then make sure you're running a SaaS or Odoo instance with the point of sale and IoT apps installed. So here you can see IoT application is already installed, and you can find this application from Odoo apps. When you search for IoT, you can see Internet of Things is already installed. So you can make use of it to connect devices. Then you need a local network setup with DHCP. So this one is a default setting. Then an RJ45 Ethernet cable, which is optional. Then any of the supported hardware. This hardware can be a receipt printer, barcode scanner, cash drawer, or weight scale, that is electronic scale, then customer display, payment terminal, etc. So you can see Odoo's point of sale hardware page. We can see the point of sale registration, then about IoT box, then barcode scanners, weight scales, cash registers, receipt printers, payment terminals, and customer displays, etc. So these are the hardwares used in point of sale. Okay, so here we can connect devices using IoT box. So first one you can see is a receipt printer. So even though digital receipts are issued, a receipt printer is needed to print out an instant paper receipt. So you can connect a supported receipt printer to a USB port or to the network and power it on. Then we can add cash drawer, enable this option. So which is for cash buying and cash buying purchases. That is, the cash locker is an important factor in that case. So the cash drawer should be connected to the printer with an RJ25 cable. Okay. Then next comes the customer display. So this is a monitor that shows the product and point of sale information. So we can connect a monitor to the IoT box using an HDMI cable. So you can also access the customer display from any other computer by accessing the IoT box homepage, and you can click on a point of sale display button. Okay, then next comes the barcode scanner. So that is used to record transactions at a point of sale. So a barcode scanner is used to check the commodity barcodes. So you can scan products or packages or cashiers using this barcode scanner or card reader. Okay, so you can connect your barcode scanner. Then in order for your barcode scanner to be compatible, it must end barcodes with an ender character, that is key code 28. And we have a default barcode nomenclature in Odoo that is used to scan products, customer cards, etc. So you can see default nomenclature with some default rules for customer, then cashier, location, packages, products, loads, and all. So you can see the type, encoding, then barcode pattern. So you must follow this rule when creating, that is setting barcodes. Okay. Then comes the electronic scale. So IoT box enables Odoo point of sale to integrate with electronic scales. So the product weight is read in real time from the scale to your point of sale. Okay, so you can add electronic scale. You can, after adding the printers, you can save the settings. So when you go to products and when you open a product which is available in point of sale, so on the point of sale section, you can see this product is made available in point of sale, and you have an option to enable, that is electronic weight scale, that is used to weight with scale. So you can use by using hardware scale integration, and you can scan the product's weight. Okay, so we can, after adding the devices, you can start a new session. So you can see an error shown, that is uh, connection to IoT box failed. This is because we haven't connected IoT box. Okay, above you can see that it is disconnected because IoT box is not connected. So you can see here option, that is for printing report with sales of the current point of sale session, but right now it's not available because the device is not connected. Okay, now let's close the session. Okay, then here we have an option to connect devices to point of sale directly without an IoT box. So for that, when you enable this option, okay, for that you have to provide the printer IP address. Then next we have an option that is used to send order to kitchen, that is using order printer. We can print orders at kitchen or at bar, etc. So for that, just enable this option and add your kitchen printer. So already we have a order printer configured, that is kitchen printers. And if you want to create more printers, just click on the printers and you can click on create. So you can see already we have a kitchen printer. You can see printer type. Then we can see we have an option to change the printer type. That is, either we can use a printer connected to IoT box or a user Epson printer. Then if first option, you have to provide the IoT device. Then we also can see an option to add the printed product categories. So already a category is added, that is miscellaneous. You can say change that. Okay. So now when you start a new session, here we can add products. So you can see this option is available in bar or restaurant. So when you can click on this order, so you can send orders to kitchen. Okay, now we can close the session. So right now we haven't connected to any of the devices, that is IoT box or any printer, so we cannot print the order. To use this option order printer, either you have to enable IoT box or direct device. So that's how we connect devices in Odoo 14 point of sale. So if you have any doubts related to point of sale or integration of IoT box or other devices, please drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com. And you can also add your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get latest updates.